You can't hurt me no more. You can't break me again. The wounds held outside and within. You took what I loved the most and hurt me until I couldn't breathe. But the fire inside of me never let go, no matter how hard you try to extinguish it. I kept my light burning bright. I kept going. I kept seeing the good in others. And I never gave up hope. I kept praying for you when I should have done the opposite. That would make me like you. And I refuse to be a narcissist. Someone who blocks someone from love, their dreams takes away. The very thing that makes them breathe chips away at your very soul. When all seems to, but God was always in control. A mind of hate and jealousy. You wouldn't care when someone was watching you. You'd assume you'd right. Your narrative was always something I never understood. How could I, when I lacked judgment like I did? All I wanted was the picket fence, the dream instead. I got shattered pieces of broken promises from a smooth talking narcissist. I kept my light burning bright. I kept going. I kept seeing the good in others. And I never gave up hope.